Hey everyone, and welcome back. Texas is big, beautiful, and full of incredible wildlife. But let's be real, some of that wildlife is best admired from a distance. Today, we're diving into the Lone Star State's most venomous residents, the top 5 dangerous snakes. Get ready to learn who they are and, more importantly, what to do if you have an unwelcome encounter. First up, the notorious Western Diamondback Rattlesnake. You know that rattle. Found all over Texas, their bite is serious business. Next, the Texas coral snake, with its bright red and yellow bands, red and yellow, kill a fellow. Remember that rhyme? Then we have the cottonmouth or water moccasin, often found near water. Don't mess with these guys. The copperhead is another common one, with their hourglass patterns. And finally, the timber rattlesnake, a larger rattlesnake found in wooded areas. Okay, so what if the unthinkable happens and you get bitten? Stay calm. Panic increases blood flow. Call 911 immediately. This is crucial. While you wait for help, keep the bite area below the level of your heart if possible. Clean the wound gently with soap and water if available, but do not cut the wound. Apply a tourniquet, suck out the venom, or apply ice. These can do more harm than good. Try to remember the snake's appearance if you can, but do not try to catch it. Knowing these snakes and these steps could literally save a life. Respect wildlife, watch where you step and put your hands, and if you see a snake, give it space. They usually just want to be left alone. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, Texas. Now, we want to hear from you. What other Texas topics would you like us to cover in our next video? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.